In this video, I'm going to show you the experiment touch to turn on the lights. We'll use the touch module. We'll use the LED module. Let's connect the first pin of touch module, that is positive pin, to the positive of power supply. Now let's take the output from second pin of touch module to LED. Now I'm using green LED. From LED negative, let's close the circuit by connecting wire to the negative of battery. So whenever I touch, light is turning on. You can replace this LED with another LED lights where we'll get full brightness of white light.